Nothing beats the primal satisfaction of grilling over a charcoal fire. And nothing aids that process better than a good charcoal chimney. These handy tools are a barbecue's best friend, making the job of lighting up the coals a breeze. Today, we're going to be taking a look at 5 of the top-rated charcoal chimneys out there, each with its unique features and benefits that make them stand out in the crowd. So, without further ado, let's dive into the nitty-gritty of these fire starters. First up, we have the Royal Gourmet Foldable Charcoal Chimney Fire Starter. This versatile companion is not just foldable, but also perfect for camping trips. It's compact, easy to use, and incredibly efficient, turning your charcoal from cold to hot in no time. With an impressive Amazon rating of 4.5 stars, it's clear that users are more than satisfied. And the best part? It's priced at just $22.99. This is definitely a bang for your buck, especially for those who love camping. Next on the list is the Campmade Collapsible Charcoal Chimney Starter. This handy tool offers a unique feature: its collapsibility. This compact design makes storage a breeze, even in the most crowded camping kits. But don't let its size fool you. It's as efficient as it is compact, getting your charcoal glowing in no time. With a stellar Amazon rating of 4.6 stars and priced at $42.99, it's a small investment for a big return. For those who prioritize storage space, this is a great option. Coming in third is the Oregon Trail Fastlight Chimney Fire Starter. This little gem is known for its quick lighting time, making it a favorite among those who don't want to keep their barbecue waiting. With a high Amazon rating of 4.8 stars, it's clear that this product delivers on its promises. Priced at $25.15, it offers great value for its features. For those who value speed, this is the charcoal chimney to consider. The penultimate product is the Char Griller Charcoal Grill Chimney Starter with Quick Release Trigger. This is a tool that brings convenience and efficiency to every grill master's arsenal. The Char Griller Starter boasts a quick release trigger that allows for swift and safe disposal of hot coals. This feature not only enhances safety but also speed, getting your grill hot and ready in no time. Its strong build ensures durability, promising many seasons of reliable service. It's a robust tool, designed to withstand the high heat and rough handling that comes with grilling. The Char Griller Starter has earned an impressive Amazon rating of 4.8 stars, a testament to its quality and performance. Priced at $19.99, it offers great value for its features and durability. This is a robust and efficient starter, perfect for those who want a sturdy, long-lasting product. Last, but certainly not least, we have the Kingsford Heavy Duty Deluxe Charcoal Chimney Starter. This is no ordinary chimney starter. It's a beast, designed to handle the rigors of frequent use with its heavy-duty construction. Durability is its middle name, and it's built to last, giving you an enduring companion for your grilling adventures. But its strength doesn't mean it compromises on performance. Oh no, it excels in that department too, providing even rapid heating to get your coals ready in no time. It's a workhorse that doesn't shy away from heavy loads. This is reflected in its stellar Amazon rating of 4.7 stars. And the cost? Just a smidge under $15. Yes, you heard it right. For the robustness and performance it offers, it's a real steal. For those who want a reliable, heavy-duty charcoal chimney, this is the one to go for. So, there you have it, folks. From the Royal Gourmet's foldability to the quick-release trigger of the Char Griller, each of these charcoal chimneys brings something unique to the table. Whether it's the collapsibility of the Campmade or the heavy-duty nature of the Kingsford, your choice should align with your grilling needs and preferences. And let's not forget the Oregon Trail's rapid ignition feature. Remember, a good charcoal chimney can take your grilling experience to the next level. Choose wisely and happy grilling. If you would like to see more videos like this, please subscribe. Also, if you really like this video, hit the like button. Until next time.